Hi everybody, this is Stacy for One Health Wisconsin, and I wanted to just review today how cannabinoids and CBD works inside the human body. In 1988 through 1993, scientists discovered these new systems in our body called cannabinoid receptors, and they creatively called it CB1 in the brain and CB2 in the body. Now, this cannabinoid system, endocannabinoid system, actually acts like a balancing mechanism throughout the body. Much like in a factory, when there is a machine, and let's say it has a little screw loose, and then it wiggles, and then it jiggles, and then it shakes, and it breaks the whole motor. Much is true with the endocannabinoid system in the body. The endocannabinoid system is responsible for our immune health, our circulatory health, every single organ's function, as well as our brain functionality. That's one of the reasons why when you get a quality oil, it works for so many different things. Now, the quality oil has something called phytocannabinoids in it, and it comes from the hemp plant. That hemp plant has a myriad of phytocannabinoids that directly interact with the cannabinoid receptors in our bodies and brain. So what happens is, when you have something that isn't working properly, maybe you have a low immune system, maybe your pancreas isn't functioning properly because the insulin functionality isn't there. The old school of thought would be to treat the actual issue. So if you have a problem in your pancreas and it has a problem producing the proper amount of insulin, you treat the pancreas in a vacuum. Well, the new school of thought with CBD and cannabinoids is that you actually treat the root cause of why our pancreas isn't functioning in the first place, or any other organ for that matter. So once that happens, we are able to put those phytocannabinoids that will interact with those cannabinoid receptors and put our body back in a state of health as opposed to a state of sickness. So that's a little bit about how the endocannabinoid system works. And remember, our bodies used to produce these phytocannabinoids from the things that we ate and the nutrients that we had in our own bodies. But unfortunately, due to environmental factors, as well as processed foods, and just the nutrients that are not in our foods today, the way they were thousands and even hundreds of years ago, we do need to get those phytocannabinoids in many cases from outside sources, like a quality hemp plant. So looking forward to answering any of your questions. Please visit onehealthwi.com for all of your information and CBD needs.